morning students. Today we will study the third type of simple machine, that is lever. It is a kind of simple machine that we use to lift heavy objects. Now we have total three main types of lever: class 1, class 2, class 3. Now the three different parts of the lever are load, efforts, fulcrum. On the basis of these three parts, we have three main classes in lever: class 1, class 2, class 3. Depending upon the arrangement of these three parts, we have three different classes of lever. Now one by one we will study the different classes of lever. Let's start with class 1. Class 1. In class 1, at the one end we have effort, and at the other end we have load, and in the middle we have a fulcrum. Let's take the example. In class 1 we have an example of a scissor. Here you apply the force, this is called effort reason. Here you place the paper or a cardboard to cut, this is known as load, and this center page is known as fulcrum. Understood class 1? In class 1, the arrangement of different parts in such a way that one end we have effort, other end we have load, and in center we have fulcrum. Example is scissor. Like here you apply the force on this end, in this end you place the paper or a cardboard to cut, and the middle, this center page is known as fulcrum. Clear? Now class 2. Now see the arrangement of the parts. One end we have effort, on the other end we have fulcrum, and in the middle we have a load. Now example is this wheelbarrow, that is used by a cleaning staff to carry the garbage. Here they apply, from this end they apply the force, in middle they put the garbage, that is a load, and this wheel is known as fulcrum. Clear? This is a second class of lever. One end we have effort, other end we have fulcrum, and in the middle we have a load. Example is this wheelbarrow. Here they apply the force to carry the garbage, in the middle they put the garbage in this container, and this wheel is known as fulcrum. Now we have third class. Now see the arrangement of the different parts. One end we have load, other end we have fulcrum, and in the middle we apply the effort. Example is this tweezer, which we call plucker, that your mother used to pluck the hair of her eyebrows. Here she apply the force to pluck the hair. From here she pluck the hair, so this is a load, and at this end they have a fulcrum. Clear? This attachment is known as fulcrum. From here in the middle we apply the force, and here we have a load. These are the three different classes of the lever. Hope you all have understood. Now for the notebook work, I am giving you this question. First is, what is lever? How does it help us? This definition you have to copy in your fair notebook. And three different types of lever. One by one I have explained. This you have to copy for your fair notebook work. And this is a class 1, class 2 and class 3 types of a lever. Now you have to show your craft work. Like you can use the matchsticks and different colored papers to make this class 1, class 2 and class 3 of kinds of lever. You have to show your craft work. Don't draw the diagram. Just use matchsticks or any other sticks, or use colored papers to make these different classes of lever.